Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yazri's channel. Today we've got a super fun English lesson waiting for you. Let's jump right in.
Making a tasty and healthy falafel sandwich is quick. First, you need a loaf of bread, some fried falafel, salad, and tahini sauce. Put the bread on a clean plate. Then, open it carefully. Place 3 or 4 pieces of falafel inside. Add some chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. Next, pour a little tahini sauce and a spoonful of pickles. Finally, fold the bread and enjoy your sandwich. Many Egyptians love eating falafel for breakfast. Small shops sell it early in the morning in many parts of Egypt. Some families make it at home every weekend. It gives energy for school or work. My favorite breakfast is falafel with tea and cheese. My mom always says, a good breakfast helps you start the day right.
That's it for today. Get ready for more fun next time.